lot of birds. Holy moly. It's a little far. That was far. You said those ducks got out of here?
Right there.
Son of a gun.
Right on the edge. I thought they were hens at first.
Well, they're right there.
Huh? What?
So they're right there. Right above us.
Oh. I thought you were pointing over there. Oh, come on, girl. Oh. Oh. Ah, oh. 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 Come on up. I'll get you make over with you.
Wondering. Why is this open?
They dug that out a few years ago. It might be fairly deep. Non-motorized vessels only.
So kayak and trolling motor.
Electric.
Hold up.
Huh?
I said, hold on.
Oh.
I was like, are you serious?
I forgot you had a license. I wouldn't have moved.
They might come back around. This is all only open water.
We'll get in here in the grass. Get on. Drilled him, dude. Nice. That was awesome.
Oh!
There's another one blocking mallard.
That was a big duck.
I thought the other two were
Found it. Ugh. Huh? Yeah. Well, I don't think I would expect that this late in season. Wow. I might have to come back here.
Hang out here.
I don't know. It's on the ground. Yeah. I'm shooting steel.
Well, I got lead, so go on mine and we'll check. I felt good about it, but could have been either one or both.
That's a good one. Oh, I was gonna throw that in there. I was just looking at the tails.
Oh, you got out way on it.
Yeah, you did. She was on him.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Whew. Been a lot of walking today for just that one bird. That first spot we went to, there was a lot of birds there. Second spot, we walked so many miles for not even a dang hen. But these little spots, they always produce.
No. Good girl. Got time. Downwind.
Yum. Good girl. Good girl.